Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy Spark key fob here. It works for these models 2019 and 2021 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing we need to do is turn this key over like this, and here on the back we need to remove this full back cover. So to remove it, right here, insert the tip of the small flat screwdriver, and when you insert it like this, just twist it a little bit, push up, and you'll be able to remove this back piece very easily. Just be careful to not break the plastic. That's all you need to do here. And now when you remove it, right after that, here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take your small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. Well, now when you insert your new battery over here, take this back piece again, make sure here to align it perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this. And now when you do that, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.